Happy morning, children. This week we are going to see Geography Chapter 4 Maps. In previous classes you would have learned in Chapter 3 what is globe. Okay, so here map is something different from globe. So map, it is usually drawn in a flat surface like paper, board. Okay, so map usually we have only drawn where we cannot give vast information. Specific information alone can be given, like a map can include only India or Russia and America, or a state inside that country, or a city. Okay, so we can even get minute informations from map. Okay, so when map is clubbed together, when a book is there with too many maps, it is called as atlas. So now we are going to see what is the definition of map. Map is a representation or drawing of earth's surface or part drawn on flat surface, as I told you, right? It is drawn in a flat surface like paper, board, something like that. Okay, so the next thing is atlas. So atlas is when too many maps are clubbed together, it will form as atlas. Like many maps we can get it from the atlas. So we are going to see types of map. The first type is physical map, where you can see the natural features of earth like mountains, plains, rivers, oceans, etc. The first map is the example for physical map. Physical map is also called as relief map. And next, political map. Political map will show you cities, towns, villages, different countries and states of world with boundaries. Okay. Next, thematic map. Thematic map will focus on specific information like roads pati ungalku thaniya information veno, illa rainfall, something. So there will, if you see atlas, you will come to know all these three types of map inside the atlas. Okay, just have a look at atlas. So this thematic map will be more like rice, where the growth of rice, the growth of paddy, like that. Even specific information you can get in thematic map. Okay, so the next one is the components of map. Components, what are the things which is included in the map? So first thing is distance. So avlo periya India, how we are showing it in a small paper? So it is called because of scale. Scale. Have you seen graph? In graph, if you seen 1 centimeter will be measured as 100 kilometers, something like that. Same like this. Here we are using it as centimeter only. So 1 centimeter will be shown as 5 kilometers. Okay. So 5 kilometers once will be in centimeter. For example, if you are taking Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is a big state, right? So other information kuda, the whole idea measure panni within that specific size they will give you. Okay, இப்போ வந்து அவ்வளோ பெரிய இடத்த ஒரு பேப்பரில் போடும்போது 1 centimeter is considered as 5 kilometers, or even 1 centimeter can be considered as 50 kilometers. Okay, yes. The next thing is two types of maps are there. One is small scale map and the other one is large scale map. Small scale map, if you see, large areas like continents, countries shown on paper using small scale, which means that or பெரிய place they will show, but it won't be very clear. Okay, where in large scale map, if you see, chinna place perissa they will show. So from that you can learn very minute informations. Okay, see here, the left side will show you the countries where nothing is clear. Even if you are seeing it in a big paper, nothing will be clear. We cannot take too many informations from that. Okay, so if you see in the right side, it is only Chennai. So Chennai, what are the roads, streets, everything is visible in that. Okay, so this is called, the right side one is called as large scale map, where small place will be shown in a big map, where left side is called as small scale map, where a big place will be shown and small information will be given. Okay, here also that scale is like ratio. Scale is noted as ratio. So ratio is like how we can say is I told you 1 centimeter is 5 kilometer madri. And then the area if you see the left side of the map, it is very big, but it is measured in 1 centimeter is measured as many kilometers. Where right side it is small, so 1 centimeter will be measured as 1 kilometer. Okay, it will change. So we can also see many components of maps. So distance we have seen now, and we can go for next components, direction. we are going to see the components of direction in map. Okay, so usually map you would have noticed the word letter N. Okay, so N always represents north in the map. So there are also different directions like north, east, south and west. So all these four are major directions and it is also called as cardinal points. Okay, there are also intermediate directions. In between north and east it is called as northeast. In between east and south it is called as southeast. In between west and south it is called as southwest. In between north and west it is called as northwest. Okay, in between intermediate directions is also there. Okay, so usually this direction, how the people will notice, it is with the help of a instrument called compass. Okay, this compass is having a magnetic needle inside. Okay, நம்மளோட நார்த் போல் சவுத் போல்னு ரெண்டு இருக்கு. அதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஆல்வேஸ் there will be a magnetic reaction. Okay, so அந்த என்ன இருக்குன்னா இந்த நீடில் வந்து it always points north. so நீங்க எங்க நின்னாலும் நீங்க வந்து இந்த compass கையில வச்சா it will show you where is north and where is south. So from that you can identify which is east and west. Okay, so the direction will be always notified with the help of compass. So this is the compass. Usually you would have seen this compass. Actually children will also have it when they are playing. Okay, so this is what even in many films they will use this compass. We have seen this. Okay, so the next thing is the symbols. Okay, so symbols நான் சொல்லிட்டேன் முன்னாடியே map is a flat surface it is indicated. when இப்போ இந்தியா ஃபுல்லாவே where are the railway lines அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோன்னா அது ஈஸியா you cannot write everywhere as railway. so if there is a symbol for railway na easier you can notice that அந்த symbol வச்சு okay இது railway, இது trees, இது buildings, இது roads என்றதை you can find out, right? so அதுக்கு தான் இந்த symbols are used. so everywhere it is represented by different letters, shades, colors, pictures, lines. so conventional symbols not only in India, all over the world they will talk together and they will decide okay this symbol is railway symbol, this symbol is school symbol, and the madri adha conventional symbol. so only this conventional symbol will be used in the maps because whoever sees it they will identify it. Okay, so there are also like water bodies will be in blue color, mountains will be represented in brown color and plateaus in yellow color. In the matter there are many specifications. so other map types, if you see, there is a map type called a sketch. Okay, sketch வந்து என்னன்னா rough. for example, if you want to show the way for your friend to your house, what you will do, சும்மா ஒரு பேப்பர் எடுத்து you will keep on scribbling, no this is right, there will be a shop, this is my house, அந்த மாதிரி யூஸ் பண்றது தான் this one. Okay, the sketch. and the next one is plan is something இந்த மாதிரி கிறுக்காம something which is represented with places, இல்ல உங்களோட inches, இவ்வளோ height, இவ்வளோ சின்னதா இருக்கு, like house plan if you see, that is an example for plan. Okay,